New macOS 15 is now available to everybody. It's a public release and not a beta version anymore. So to update your system, simply click Settings. You probably got this icon in your dock here at the bottom. System Settings. Then head to General Settings. And you can see the second option on this list is a software update. Click on it, the program will scan for update and show you that macOS Sequoia 15 is now available. You will need 6.6 GB of free storage on your Mac to upgrade. Alright, so now I simply click Upgrade Now. You need to agree to a license. Put the password for this Mac user, for the admin user, and the first step of the upgrade process is to download the upgrade. So you need to wait a moment and be sure you are connected to the internet, alright? Don't switch off your Wi-Fi or kind of move around so you will not lose the signal. After this step is finished, the update will start and at some point it will restart your computer. Be sure you got enough battery or you are plugged into a power source. And here we are, the computer rebooted itself several times, then it's turned on and asked me to put my password for my Apple ID. And now we are back in the system, and as you can see there's a new wallpaper that come in with that update. We can now click System Settings again and head for software update once more, and you should be able to see that there are no updates available as we are on the current version. We are on macOS Sequoia 15. So that's how easy it is to update your Mac to the newest version of the operating system. I hope this short tutorial was helpful and I will see you in the next one.